Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. This morning here we've issued an amber warning for Storm Kira, which is approaching over the next couple of days, arriving at the weekend, bringing very strong winds. The amber warning is enforced across parts of southeast England, where we could see gusts 55 to 65 miles an hour inland, and in parts of the south coast 70 to maybe 80 mile an hour gusts. All parts of the UK, though, are covered by yellow weather warnings, as we'll see in just a moment. First of all, though, let's get back to the rest of Friday, because for many it's a fine bright day. Some mist and low cloud and a bit of fog across northeast England, taking a while to clear. And the cloud is thickening in Northern Ireland, West Wales and southwest England, with a bit of drizzle here and there. But for many places, it's a dry and a bright Friday. The breeze is picking up, however. Temperatures similar to the last few days, maybe double digits in the southwest, but feeling a bit colder perhaps on the east coast of Scotland as the breeze picks up. But the winds are only going to get stronger over the next couple of days. Overnight tonight, we'll see a bit more wet weather coming in. This more active weather front, this band of rain, does head its way into Scotland, across Northern Ireland and into parts of England and Wales before generally clearing out the way by the time we get to first thing on Saturday. But as that moves through, the winds will continue to strengthen, and they're only going to get stronger during Saturday. Now, for large chunks of the country, Saturday will be dry and bright, but there will be a few showers across the west through the course of the morning. It's really in the afternoon when things get very lively indeed. We see this area of rain, heavy rain again for Northern Ireland and western Scotland, but it's also here where the winds really start to get very strong indeed. 50, 60 mile an hour gusts, maybe 70 mile an hour gusts around coast. Elsewhere, as I said, it will be getting blustery throughout the day, 9, 10, maybe 11 degrees Celsius, but feeling cooler in that wind. Now, the winds will continue to be battering parts of western Scotland and Northern Ireland throughout Saturday evening. This band of rain swings south and then kind of grinds to a halt, so there could be some problems with that rainfall mounting up, a bit of snow on the Scottish mountains also, and it's still very, very windy at this stage. Let's take a look at the warnings then. Through Saturday afternoon, we have this warning covering Northern Ireland, Scotland, parts of northwest England and north and west Wales. Damaging gusts of wind of 50, 60 miles an hour inland, maybe 70 miles an hour around coast. Some dangerous waves as well. We are expecting some very big waves around the coast this weekend. Travel disruption is likely. Ferry services will be affected. Rail and road services also likely to be affected. And then on Sunday, this broader warning area covering all parts of the UK, again with gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour. We do have this amber warning in force across parts of the southeast, where we could see gusts of 70 to maybe 80 miles an hour along coast. There's the potential for 80 mile an hour gusts elsewhere. Also something we're keeping a very close eye on. The warnings will continue to be refined. There's not just warnings for wind either. There are warnings in force for heavy rain also. So make sure you're staying up to date with the very latest, even into next week. As the storm Kira moves away, it's looking cold and still very lively. So as I said, make sure you stay up to date with the very latest from the Met Office. Our warnings are constantly being monitored. This storm system will affect different parts of the UK at different times and in different ways. Visit our website for the latest weather warnings and make sure this weekend you are following us on social media.